In this video, we're going to compare two of the most popular no-code development platforms, Bubble and FlutterFlow. Millions of people have used these tools to build millions of apps, but while both are capable, they serve slightly different purposes and audiences. Both platforms allow you to build native mobile apps faster and more affordably than traditional coding, but Bubble has an edge in areas like performance, ecosystem, cost, customizability, and compliance. To help us understand why, we reached out to the wider no-code community and created a rubric comparing the two platforms based on what developers care about most. Under the hood, FlutterFlow is built on Google's proprietary framework, Flutter. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Google has prioritized Kotlin for Android development, meaning core Google apps like Maps, Drive, and Play are built with Kotlin, not Flutter. Additionally, the Flutter team experienced layoffs in the summer of 2024, raising questions about long-term support and stability. Bubble, on the other hand, leverages React Native, a trusted framework used by tech giants like Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon. This makes Bubble a more stable and scalable choice for production-grade apps. Let's take a closer look at a high-level comparison. FlutterFlow is commonly used for quickly creating mobile MVPs and is especially popular among developers who are comfortable writing some code. Bubble, meanwhile, lets even non-technical founders build highly custom web and mobile apps rapidly and affordably. When we score both platforms across key categories, here's what we see. Use case versatility, Bubble 5 of 5, FlutterFlow 4 of 5. Full stack coverage, Bubble 5 of 5, FlutterFlow 4 of 5. Performance, Bubble 4 of 5, FlutterFlow 3 of 5. Ecosystem, Bubble 4 of 5, FlutterFlow 3 of 5. Cost, Bubble 3 of 5, FlutterFlow 2 of 5. Customizability, Bubble 4 of 5, FlutterFlow 3 of 5. Compliance, Bubble 4 of 5, FlutterFlow 3 of 5. Community and resources, both have strong communities, but Bubble's larger ecosystem gives it an edge for support and plugins. Overall, Bubble receives a weighted score of 4.0 of 5, while FlutterFlow scores 3.63. These scores are based on a 2024 survey of over 350 no-code founders, developers, freelancers, and hobbyists, who rated the importance of 17 factors when choosing a no-code platform. In summary, while FlutterFlow is a solid tool for building mobile MVPs, Bubble offers more flexibility, a stronger ecosystem, better performance, and more options for compliance and scaling. Whether you're building a web app, mobile app, or SaaS product, Bubble is often the better choice for production-ready, full-featured applications.